Today, I'll show you how to add a vampire effect to your character in CapCut. This effect is perfect for Halloween edits, horror videos, or just for fun. Let's jump right in. First, import your video into the timeline. Now head over to the effects panel and go to body effects. In the search bar, type vampire and you'll see the effect pop up. Simply drag and drop it onto your clip and watch the transformation. To fine tune the effect, open the right side editing panel where you'll find color, changes the eye color and glow for a more intense vampire look. Filter, adjust the overall tone to give a dark and eerie vibe. Texture, adds blood details to the face and mouth for a realistic vampire transformation. Play around with these sliders to create your perfect vampire look. And that's it. You've successfully turned your character into a vampire using CapCut. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more fun editing effects.